Here's the exercise to get rid of your hump. So you may be sitting like this and typing away. So you want your shoulder and your ear hole to be on a vertical alignment. So if you're like this with your head forward, it tends to go forward. So if you put your index, middle, and ring finger placed in the middle of your neck at the base, you will find a little bump. So you want that to be reduced by bringing your shoulder blades back and then having your head and eyes looking straight ahead at your eye level, and then bringing your head back. Now, bringing it back straight, so then with your fingers you confirm that that hump has reduced completely, and you want to hold this position for 15 seconds every 30 minutes. Again, this is an overcorrection, so it's only for a short time of 15 seconds every half hour, but that's the way to improve your posture.